Here are 3 ways to qualify your leads a whole lot better, okay? First things first is you need either a video or a sales letter that is going to make that customer, watch or read in order to be qualified. If you just have a simple lander with an opt-in page, that's just, a couple words, a picture, and then put your name, email, and phone number in, they're not going to be qualified leads. They're people who are curious. They're not people who are higher intent. They're not people who have card in hand ready, okay? So when you're actually writing an actual sales copy page, you need to talk about where they currently are. You have to relate to that person, where they currently are, why this, system that has been discovered makes a ton of sense for them. Who is the person behind it? What credibility do they have? And then going into, here are people who have used it, and then why this is a no-brainer today. You can either do this or this, you could take 2 paths today. And that should be the basis of your copy. You should not be running any type of lead gen offer that has a sales team with it unless you have at least 5 pages of copy. If you don't have less than 5 pages, you're not going to have qualified leads. That's why, for me, the biggest qualification is a purchase, okay? So for my templates, if people are buyers, they're qualified because they've already swiped their card. If they get on the phone with me, they like what I have to offer, they're happy with their purchase, and now they're excited for what is next that I'm going to offer them. The second thing is, whenever I have an actual sales copy page, I send them to a second page, which is a 5-step qualification or a 5-question quiz, okay? And these questions can range from how soon do they want this thing done, why do they really want it, and then, obviously the investment required, this, by clicking yes below, you understand that this requires a blah, blah, blah investment. And then there could be a couple ones on the end where you can actually double qualify the price, where you say, hey, this is the best price in the area. So again, by clicking yes below, you understand that moving forward, you have the funds available now for this type of, service. And then after that, if they pass all the questions, then they get sent to a third lander, which basically congratulates them if they're approved. Now, obviously in ClickFunnels or other, platforms, you can, based on what they answer, you can either send them to a 404 error page, or you can send them to the last page, which is where they've been approved. And on that approval page, it basically just says, congrats, you've been approved to speak with, Jason Wojo and his 8-figure advertising team. And, you have this amount of time below to book, and then you put a timer, and then underneath that is the Calendly. The Calendly is your third qualification. That third qualification is they pick their date, their time, and then they answer more questions. And you can actually kind of paraphrase or regurgitate some of the questions you've already asked them before, but you really want to hard qualify them with the price and fill-ins where they have to say their answers, because those answers to those questions that they actually have to type word for word instead of just answering multiple choice, you can use that for, as ammo on the phone with them. And that's what I do. So if someone buys all of my stuff in the funnel, they'll get sent to a Calendly, and that Calendly asks them questions like, hey, why are your ads not working? Or why do you feel like your ads are not working? What's your current monthly budget? Because if their budget isn't high enough, then odds are they can't work with me. I work with people who have higher budgets. So if they say, $1,000 and $2,500 a month, it's kind of going to be hard for me to help you. But if you say $5K plus a month, then I can help you. And then other questions can range from, how soon are you looking to scale this offer? Or what is your goal in the next 6 months? And stuff like that, where you can say to them, if they deny your price, you can say, well, John, if you want to make $100K in the next 6 months, like you told me you did, this is what you need to do. And I'm giving you that answer today. So using stuff like that as ammo on the phone is a great lead qualification process. Thank you guys. Like the video if you're new. Follow me and DM me with any questions that you have. Maybe you're getting bad leads. I can help you out. DM me and let's chat soon.